Hello, my little monkey minions. Yeah, Monkey Wrench Mike here at my favorite place on earth. I know, I say that all the time. This is Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Why am I looking with just one eye? I don't know. The sun's up there. As you can see, it is a crisp and cloudy day here, mid-November. Temperatures dropped about 15 degrees from yesterday. Fall is here, but that is not going to stop me from finding the perfect car for my channel, or perhaps for you. We're going to try to find some cars that are different today, and we're going to see some cars that perhaps we've seen before. I don't know. We're just going to kind of wander around and see what strikes our fancy. So with that, let's jump in our first car. Well, my pretty. This car has been here since April, and if you are very astute, perhaps we have reviewed it. Let me back it up. Before, perhaps not. You're probably more astute than I think we have. And I do like the 128, the 135i. I had a 135i, and it was the craziest car ever. Of course, it had some very considerable damage. This one, the loss type is unknown, but I don't see any issues. Why are you still here? Now, sometimes it takes a while to get the title, so they can be here for a little while they wait for the title. I mean, there's a little bit of damage here, okay, and there's a little bit here. That's on the passenger side. I would not do that. Well, okay, I would paint the bumper, absolutely. So she kind of took a little impact right here. I think this is still okay, but she's been here for a long time. Yeah, 7 months if my math is correct. Let's see what's happening on the inside. Is there any power left? If this car still has power after being here for 7 months with everybody jumping inside and trying to give her a start, that would be amazing. And of course, no power. But this is a really nice vehicle. It is very, very comfortable in here. You get everything you need. This is actually much nicer than mine. I don't know why this hasn't sold yet, though. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think about the 128? The 135 is more powerful. It has different brakes. It has different headlights. It's much more expensive to fix. How do I know? Because I used to own one. Well, you can tell she has been here for a long time. Look at the dust. Look at all of the dust. I am so sorry. I really am. Whoa. Okay. Well, this looks to be a little large for a gap right there. I don't know why you're still here, though. I really don't. Straight six. Super fun to drive. Very sporty. Mine rattled like crazy because, well, there was all kinds of suspension damage and everything. But this one should have sold. This one really should have sold by now. I don't know why. Watch, the wind is going to push the hood down. Here comes the wind. No, it's not. Okay, so we'll push the hood down. Well, there you go. I'm going to have to write this number down because she deserves to live. She really does. She needs a good home. Well, gorgeous. What's a car like you doing on a place like this? Another beautiful car. Absolutely 18 Mercedes E300. So this is the bigger E-Class. And I like how they really made them look like S-Classes. They really do. They bring the styling in on the S-Class and they kind of shift it down to the other models, the smaller models. I don't want to say lesser models. I don't know why she's here. She has a crappy tint job on the back window. And that can just ruin a car for me. I mean, it looks horrible. It really does. But the rest of her, Michelin tires, I don't see hail damage. I don't see anything, actually. I see the tow hook sticking out. That's not a good sign. But look at the front. That's gorgeous. And this is that Mercedes black, that 040 paint color that I just really love. Well, this is some remnants of some tape. See? Was this taped up at one time? Oh, well, okay. This could be why she's here. Look at all of that. This is what goes under the steering wheel, right? These are some interior pieces and some exterior pieces. What is going on with this car, though? Huh? That's a lot. So I'm guessing this is gorgeous, though. Woo! Look at the wood. Okay, that's nice. I don't know what happened here. We're missing our cover for this. Maybe this car is like a reject. They were going to work on it and they rejected it. Okay, here's your OBD2 port right here hanging down. This is dirty. Yeah, that's what you plug in right there. We have other wires coming off of here. Once again, lost type, unknown. This has got a crack in it. What a beautiful dash, though. So you have the digital and then you have the old school right there, which is nice. I love the wood. I really do. And these little knobs here to control the vents are very, very nice. Let's see what's under the hood and see if we have any. Well, I'm not anticipating a whole lot because look right there. See, we have part of the fuse box that is gone. And there's some wires that are unplugged right there. Is this a flood? Was this a flood vehicle? Let's look under the hood and find out. And the survey says, here we go. I think this looks clean-ish. What we're looking for are remnants. This could be a good indicator right here. See, that's how that's kind of sandy. This is corroded right here. Wow, okay. What do you want to do? You want to try to find a water line somewhere in here. You can also check the oil if there is a dipstick and see if there's any signs of her being in a lake, on the beach, in a hurricane. Oh, there's just a whole lot of oil in there. That's like so overfull that I'm thinking maybe water got in it and I don't know. Here we go. Using my superpowers. What do you think? That camshaft looked really, really worn. But this, I don't know. I don't know. We're looking for any kind of a water line. Sometimes they'll indicate that. But see how this has been all taken up? This has been removed. So they were airing it out. And if we go under here, this is all foam. Sometimes this foam takes forever to dry. Ask me how I know, but it does. And if you put it in here before it's dry, it's just going to accumulate moisture and it's going to start to smell and mold. Even this has been off. See how this has been? Yeah. Okay, I think this car was wet. I hate to say that, but I think she was really, really well, we got water dripping off right there, but that's just from the rain. See, yeah, this has all been taken apart. Doggone it, what about right here? That's still kind of locked. Okay. Well, we're going to call this a flood car, even though we don't know. Yeah. She was such a pretty car, too. Man, I love the E-Class. They're just the right size. They really, really are. S-Classes are large. C-Classes, in my opinion, are kind of small. This one is just right. But we're going to have to continue. Well, here's another forgotten vehicle, and I do love me some GL450s. I had a black one that was, well, Sometimes when you think about cars in the past, they're actually better than they were. Does that make sense? Yeah, it gave me lots of headaches. But this one has been here. Look at the stickers. I don't want to show you the whole number, but count the stickers. 1, 2, 3. 3 times it's been entered into the system right there. And we have suspension problems. We've got a dent right here. This is an air suspension, and the little bags do give. We got some scratches. This will all buff out right there. But those airbags will give, or the lines going to them will break. We have a spare on there. We're missing our... Boy, they just yanked that out, didn't they? They just pulled that thing out. Is it back in here? Hello? Anybody home? So you get a whole bunch of plastic wrap. Okay. That goes for your spare tire, which is under there. This is locked or it doesn't work. This is locked. And we have a flat. Look how long it's been sitting there. It's cracked. The tire is actually cracked. I'm not even that far back into the yard, and it's like these cars have just been forgotten. Okay, this is broken. All right, let's see what's under here. Is this popped? Nope. All right, let's pop the hood. I'll show you the inside real quick. But I have been seeing this forever and ever and ever. I want to say it's been here almost a year. I really do, because I keep seeing it and they just kind of move it around, but I haven't seen it the last 3 or 4 times I've been here. I think because they moved it all the way back here. I'm trying to open this door to see the back. It's locked. Okay, well, we only have access to this. And these are nice cars. These are fun to drive. Mine was a little wobbly, but they're roomy. They will hold 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 people, 8 people if they're skinny. No idea why this is here. But let's just see if we can pop the hood. Let's see if she has any power left in her. Where's the little release thing here? Here we go. And, oh, okay. Well, this is how long she's been here. We got some mices living in here, you know, and there's your jump point for the battery, which is in the back. But I looked and there's actually no key, so we can't even see if there's power left, and it doesn't even look like it at all. That's a nice little house. You close the roof. The hood is the roof. You got a nice little entryway right here. You get mittens. Okay. And they're probably all running through here. There's some stuff here. There's probably food hidden throughout this car. Yeah, she's been here a very long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a note of the number, and I'm going to see if I can find her on the computer, because this would be, if it's cheap enough, we could get her back to life easy. And the airbags for the suspension, those are easy to replace, and your pump is right there. It's not that difficult. It's really not. You can also convert these, so if the price is cheap enough, then this might be something I would be interested in. And this is the stuff that you can find, okay? You don't have to be a dealer, like I always say. You can be a member of the public, just like me. Sign up, pay your dues, bid on these things, have them delivered right to your home, and you too could be piloting a Mercedes GL450, if that's your style, if it is. Oh, and this is also, look, Brooks. There you go. Look at that. That's a good sign. Short and sweet and to the point. That is me. You know, that was the video for today. Unfortunately, the cars would not start. I'm sorry about that. There's a reason for 2 of them, and the other one just didn't have it. So we're going to continue our hunt. We will write down the number of the GL. We're going to continue looking. What about a supercharged Audi? All right, you want to stay tuned for that, because that will be the first vehicle in our next video. All right, a big shout out to everybody here at Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Super friendly staff. The general manager is so fun, and the people, when I walk through their door, they kind of say hi, they wave me on through, and then they turn me loose back here, and I can pick pick and choose where I go, which I think is fantastic. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.